If you ask me, of one look that I will never get bored of is the street style look. Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Femica. Street style fashion emerged from grassroots streetwears is something that is associated with the youth culture. It's all about mixing up all the colors and styling the best of all. Femica presents an amazing street style look, essentially inspired by all models like Kendall Jenner, Gigi Hadid, Bella Hadid, and so many more. So street style is all about the effortless style and minimal skin, minimal makeup that looks so fresh, and it is exactly right up my alley. Sounds really exciting, right? But before we can get started, I will suggest you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and by doing so you stand a chance to win a free gift hamper, of course, from Femica. And now let's get started. So here we go. Of course, we are starting off by looking completely homeless, but you know, we're gonna look like supermodels at the end of the video. I'm definitely gonna start off with a moisturizer, but this time I'm gonna mix liquid highlighter to my moisturizer. By doing so, first of all, I'm saving my time, and also this is gonna make the skin look extremely hydrated and glossy, and it will look like I have had a lot of water, which is not true. So first of all, when we see a celebrity, there's nothing like they're not wearing makeup. They're always wearing makeup, and that is where the term no makeup makeup came from. So today we are going to recreate something like that. And for these kind of looks, I avoid foundation and I go in with really nice BB creams. Again, you can blend them with your finger or with a sponge depending on your mood. BB creams, beauty benefit creams, as the name suggests, has a lighter coverage, but they make the skin look a lot better. Like you can see instantly, it looks like it is my skin without any foundation, but still so much better. Now that I look at myself, I don't think that I will go in with a concealer. I can just cover this one up a little bit, but that's gonna be it. Now I'm gonna use a compact powder and set my face with it. Now just because I have not used any concealer, I'm not thinking, or I'm not using a loose powder all over my face. Now that the base is ready, it's time for some shape and shade, for which I'm going to use bronzer. Bronzer is really important in this look. This is what will bring back the color to your face and give your face that natural look that your kids like to stand. And remember, it's a street style look, right? So that means it has to look like you are out in the sun. That is why the bronzer is really important. So for this bronzer, I'm actually taking it all over my cheeks too. It just looks more natural, even on the nose. I'm not gonna use any extra contour or anything. So this is on the jawline. Some nice pink blush. Eyebrows are a really big part of this look. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna first use some brow gel and set my eyebrows in. Basically, I'm doing some no brow effect. I'm gonna really get the product in and plug the brow. So yes, eyebrows are done. For my eyes, I'm going in with the same bronzer and applying it all over my face. I'm gonna take a little bit of it under my eyes to give it a little bit of shade. So now for my lips, I'm going to use a brown lip liner. I always like blending my lip liner with fingers. Then I'm going to use the skin on my lips. This just gives a very natural lip. So now, as you can see, this looks so natural and I absolutely love it. Last step would be to add some mascara. and it should just make your eyelashes look really separated and elongated. To finish this look, I'm gonna apply a little bit of lip gloss just in the center of the lip so that it looks like a tinted lip balm. So now you know what it takes to have the fresh face of makeup like a model walking on New York streets. I really like how this turned out. This is extremely fresh and very feminine, and I think everybody can rock it. So with this, here we come to an end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to check out all the products that I'm going to be mentioned in the description box below. For clean, safe, natural beauty products, you can always shop at Femica. Join the community and welcome yourself to the world of clean, safe, organic beauty and wellness by connecting with us through all our social media platforms, the links to which you can get either on your screen or in the description box. Signing off with lots of love until we meet in the next video. Till then, take care.